Vint, fine wine and spirit investing with 0% fees. The global luxury alcohol market is a $970 billion industry as of June 2020. Wine and whiskey have outperformed the S&P 500 by 45% and 31% respectively in the last year. Here's how to make a 12 to 16% target return with Vint. Vint is an investment platform that securitizes wine and spirit collections to make the asset classes more accessible. The platform was founded in 2019 by Nick King and Patrick Sanders and has raised over $1.7 million in pre-seed funding. Vint is open to all investors who want the following: a low-volatility, high-growth asset that isn't correlated to stocks, a personalized wine portfolio built by wine experts and AI, the option to get their wines delivered to their doorstep. 2 of the 53 U.S. Masters of Wine advise the Vint investment team, so you know they only offer the best of the best. Wine and whiskey have returned 10.44% and 19% on average annually over the past 5 years. While the S&P is down 14.5% since 2021, wine and whiskey have returned 28.8% and 14.1% respectively. Vint offers investors fractional shares of wines and spirit collections. Investors can buy into their offerings for only $50 and make money, selling their shares on the secondary trading market. When Vint sells the assets from each collection, Vint typically has a 3 to 7 year holding period. Vint is an investor-aligned platform and owns between 0.5% and 10% of each securitized collection. In addition to making money from the sale of collections, Vint charges a one-time sourcing fee of 6% to 15% for each collection. Here are 5 key takeaways for investing in fine wine and whiskey with Vint. The alcohol market is worth $970 billion worldwide. In 2022, wine and spirits have outperformed the S&P 500 by double digits. Vint is open to all investors and offers shares in securitized wine and spirit collections for only $50. Vint's team is advised by world-class experts including 2 Masters of Wine. Investors make money when wine and whiskey collections are sold at a profit. Follow us on social media to discover more investment platforms.